Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the monster gummy bears in Goosebumps 2. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and we're going to start out with the mean eyes first. So we're just going to draw in two slants going up. So it's going to be a really mean looking eye. Okay, and then on the corner here, just kind of turn it down a little bit. And then on the side here, just gonna curve it down. And then I'm just gonna connect this, and it should be almost horizontal. Kind of have it slightly slanting downwards. And then after the eyes, we're just gonna come down and draw in the snout and mouth area. So just kind of come in the middle here. Just kind of come down and then just kind of draw in one curve. It's almost like a mean face or a sad face for now. And then from there on the corners, I'm just gonna turn it down and then just kind of come across. And then from this corner here on the side, just come down. And on the bottom, just kind of close it, flatten it out. And then come down here for the lower jaw. Just draw one line across like this. And then now we can draw in the teeth inside. So this is easy. We're just gonna draw in a bunch of lines. So just start on the middle and just kind of try to evenly space them out all the way to the side. Alright, so that's pretty much for the face, so it's really simple. And let's finish up the head. So on the side here, just kind of come up right around here. Just come down almost like a straight line. I'm just giving a slight curve. Okay, so all the way down to right around here. Okay, and then on the top here, we're gonna draw in, so around the corner of the eyes, just come up, drawing one curve side to side. So now we can draw in the ear. So we're gonna start back here, not over here. We're gonna come down a little bit and then just kind of go up. And the same thing here. You don't want to start here. You want to start a little bit back. Go out and then just kind of curve it and connect that. So I'm just trying to make it a little bit more, I guess, realistic and with these lines going over. Okay, so same thing here. Just come out and then up here and then just connect that. And I'm sorry about my voice again. Yeah, it's just getting a lot of allergies this season. Okay, and then let's go down and draw in the arm. So for his arm on the side here, just kind of come in. Just come in first on each side. And then I'll start back up here. Draw a curve going out. And once you have that, we're just gonna draw in like almost like a half circle. Just gonna come down and just connect that. So it doesn't have to be perfect because it's supposed to be gummy bears anyway. Alright, so that's gonna be his arm, so really simple. And then moving down to his body. So I'm just gonna gauge that line here. So I'm gonna start right around here. And then same thing, I'm just gonna draw one curve like this first. So coming down. Okay, and then same thing here. I'm gonna start in the bottom. So I'm gonna continue this curve. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space. And then now we can draw in the legs. So again, I'm not starting here, I'm going to start up here. Just kind of curve down like this. And then same thing here, I'm going to start over here. Just kind of curve down and then just curve it and connect it. I'm going to start up here. Curve down. And start in here, come down. And same thing, just close it off with a curve. And that is it for this monster gummy bear from Goosebumps 2. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.